Okay, 2026 na at wala ka pa din ba protection tuwing travel ka? Meron akong bago, affordable, high-tech, and also reliable. Kaya tara, samahan nyo ako i-review tong dashcam na to. Okay, this is a DDPI C50 Pro na all-in-one dashcam na may dual channel camera for your front and back recording. And also, pwede ring inside recording kasi this is a rotatable angle na kaya mag 360. This DDPI C50 Pro have a 4K ultra high resolution for the front and yung back naman is have a 1080p full HD kaya kitang-kita yung mga details sa bawat footage. Ang nagustuhan ko dito, meron siyang 3 inches display para madali nating ma-preview yung bawat footage and also para magamit pa rin natin yung rear view mirror to avoid distraction while driving. This DDPI C50 Pro have a loop recording meaning hindi mo na kailangan mag-delete isa-isa kasi naka-automatically overwrite na yung all footage at papalitan ng bagong recording. So, let's do the unboxing naman. Ito yung laman ng box niya, static film and also the manual, power cord and wire para sa ating rear camera, car charger para sa ating power supply, and also yung ating DDPI dashcam C50 Pro. At syempre, hindi ako papayag na walang testing yan. Kaya tara, samahan nyo ako mag-testing nito. Ito yung daytime recording niya. Sobrang sulit. Ito naman yung nighttime recording niya. Sobrang ganda pa rin. This is a DDPI C50 Pro. High-tech na, affordable pa, and also your #1 guardian angel on the road.